Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to be working on restoring my foggy headlights. Now I thought I'd make a video because maybe you're having the same situation, you're in the same boat as I am, and maybe I can show you how to restore it on your own. And so the things we'll be needing today: Scotch tape. As you can see, we've already taped the sides of the headlights because we're going to be wet sanding it and we don't want to be hitting the body, therefore causing scratches. Towel, okay, a sprayer, water, very simple. I bought a 1500 and a 2000 grit sandpaper for the wet sanding. On the extra note, we've got dual action polisher, polishing compounds that we'll be using today, specifically a step 2 polish and a step 3 polish for refining our work, and of course a couple polishing pads as well. There we go, let's do it up. Weather's ito yung 1500. Yeah, no. Now it's looking hazy. After our first pass, we're gonna have to do a couple more passes on the 1500 before going up to a finer grit. Okay guys, so that's it for the 1500. We're now gonna go to 2000 grit, and then after that we're gonna be hitting it up with a polisher just to finalize things. 2000 grit. Okay, that's it, and now we're gonna try to bring out the polisher. So this is the area what we worked on. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like with the other one that's not been touched. As you can see, it's still a bit yellowish. If you look on top, it's clear. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what we're aiming for. Hey guys, now that we've done our sandpaper by hand, now we're gonna do a quick polish by a machine polisher, just for a quick touch-up, just so we can clear these headlights and get rid of the final remaining scratches. We're gonna spread it out like so. Maybe add a bit more. Okay, make sure our tapes are still on. We don't want to be scratching the body, or we don't want to be hitting the body. replacing the pad here. Use a finer one, softer one. Step 3 of the magic, auto magic, polishing compound. Okay, so not to waste our efforts into polishing our headlights, we're gonna be protecting it. Now I know some of you guys are gonna be using sealant and other ceramic coating, but I'm just working from home and I don't have that. What I have is your good old paste wax. Should be good enough. Winter is coming, and we want our headlight to be protected from the elements. Should be good enough for the season. And so yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to protecting our headlight. Smells good. Okay guys, in a couple minutes we're gonna buff off the wax that we applied for the headlights protection. Buff off. Oh, that looks very nice. I'm not sure if you can tell from the camera, but we should be able to see it. Looks like it worked so far. I think we did a good job. This way we can prevent our lights from not properly lighting the roads as we drive in the dark or at nighttime, or during the winter times, in the morning. So there we go. Of course, we're gonna work on the other side and do that one as well. See if we can do the same job or even better. Anyhow, that is it for restoring your headlights. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Hey.